Top 5 AI Tools for Beginners. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the demands of daily life? What if I told you there are powerful AI tools that can simplify your tasks, spark your creativity, and revolutionize the way you work? In today's fast-paced world, the fear of falling behind is all too real. But what if the key to unlocking your potential is just a click away? Stick around as we unveil the top 5 AI tools for beginners that will not only boost your productivity, but also inspire you to achieve more than you ever thought possible. Now, if you're still writing notes on a napkin or using sticky notes as your project management system, no judgment, we've all been there, right? Let's upgrade that approach. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. First up, we have ChatGPT, an AI conversational agent that feels like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Imagine being able to draft emails, brainstorm ideas, or even find solutions to your problems within seconds. With ChatGPT, you can do just that. Let's say you're stuck on a project. Simply ask ChatGPT for ideas, and watch as it generates a plethora of options. This tool is not just smart, it's your creative partner. But here's the catch. Many people don't realize how transformative it can be. Those who harness the power of AI are the ones who thrive. Will you be among them? Tool number 2, Canva. Next, we have Canva, the graphic design tool that empowers even the most artistically challenged among us. If you've ever felt fear while trying to create something visually appealing, Canva is your answer. With its user-friendly interface and a treasure trove of templates, anyone can become a design genius in minutes. Imagine creating stunning graphics for your social media posts or presentations without hiring a professional. The excitement of seeing your ideas come to life is exhilarating. But what if I told you that most people stop at this point? They miss out on utilizing these designs to their fullest potential. What are you waiting for? Tool number 3, Otter AI. Now let's unlock the secret of effective note-taking with Otter AI. For anyone who's ever struggled to remember important details from meetings or lectures, this tool is a game changer. It transcribes your conversations in real time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, engaging in the discussion instead of frantically scribbling notes. Imagine the confidence you'll feel knowing you'll never miss another key point again. Can you feel the weight lifting off your shoulders? But wait, do you know how many people are still stuck with old-school note-taking? Don't let that be you. Tool number 4, Trello. Next, we have Trello, the project management tool that helps you organize your life with ease. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tasks piling up, Trello is your lifesaver. With its intuitive boards and cards, you can visualize your projects and keep everything on track. Imagine waking up each day with a clear roadmap, knowing exactly what needs to be done. It's empowering. But here's the kicker, many people sign up, but never fully utilize its potential. Are you ready to take control? Let's be honest, if your to-do list is on 3 different sticky notes, it's time for an upgrade. Tool number 5, Grammarly. Finally, we arrive at Grammarly, your writing assistant that makes every email, report, and text sparkle. We all know the fear of sending out a poorly written message. It can haunt you. Grammarly checks your grammar, style, and even suggests improvements in real time, making you look like a pro. Imagine the confidence you'll have when you hit send on that important email. But remember, the difference between an okay writer and a great one often comes down to the tools they use. Which side do you want to be on? In conclusion, the power of these AI tools can transform your life, but only if you take that first step. Are you ready to unlock your potential? The fear of missing out is real, and the time to act is now. Try these tools today, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. What are you most excited to unlock in your life? Like this video, subscribe, and join me on this journey of unlocking AI's true potential. Let's embrace the future together.